What's up everybody? Vincent here, and welcome to our next video, guys, where we are going to be talking about how much money do you need as a beginner investor in the stock market to actually be profitable. How much money, how much bankroll do you want to approach the stock market with, and why does it matter how much money you approach the market with? So I'm going to be going deep into those questions, guys, and hopefully you see value out of this video, guys. Do me a favor, if you do see value out of this video, guys, please like it. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel, and please leave a comment below, guys. Let me know what you liked about the video, any questions you may have, if I covered my subjects correctly, if it made sense, and lastly, if you have any other ideas that you would like to see inside of future videos, guys. With that being said, I am Vincent, and over this channel, guys, we talk about entrepreneur insights, hustling, grinding, getting that cash, okay? And then we also talk about, of course, the stock market and the trades and knowledge that comes with that, guys. So I had this idea of doing this video of how much money do you need in the stock market, because a lot of people feel like you need tons and tons of money. I think the popular number is $5,000 is what you need to trade in the stock market, guys. I'm here to tell you that is not true at all. You do not need $5,000. Now, of course, if you have $5,000, that's lovely. But you absolutely need no money, believe it or not, to actually start trading in the stock market, guys. It is called paper trading, guys. Paper trading is free, and it is incredible because it allows you to study all of your stock market information, right? Go through all of the knowledge, get a brokerage, open a brokerage account. You don't even have to fund it. I believe you don't. I think either that or you may have to put a couple $100s in it. I think like 3 to 5 or something like that if you're using TD Ameritrade. But the account's free. You don't have to trade with any money, and you can open a paper account for free, guys, and you're able to actually take real-time data, intraday quote, guys. You actually take real trades inside of the market. Now, of course, it's simulated money, but it is a real trade because it's a real-time quote. You're looking at live price action. You're watching live trades. People actually spending money in the market. You're just trading with fake money, but it is an incredible resource to use, guys. I advise you that if you are interested in investing in the stock market, that you absolutely download that you absolutely open a brokerage. You download TD Ameritrade's application, Thinkorswim, which is what I use, and then after you download it, guys, you start paper trading. Paper. Now, with that being said, let's say you've been paper trading for 6 months or a year, and you say, hey, I think I've graduated from simulated money. I've been working this entire time. I've been planning on trading, so I've been saving up my money, and now I have $2,000 accessible to me to invest in the stock market as a day trader, right? How much money can I realistically expect to make doing that? So I want to do this video to just give you an idea, a ratio that we use here at Track and Trade, guys. The way that we like to trade is what we do is we go for 2 to 3% per trade. Now, I started saying 3 because honestly, as a new trader, you really should just be going for 1 to 2%, right? You want to give yourself an easy goal to accomplish, and 1 to 2% per trade in this market is not that difficult if you know what you're doing, and if you've been studying, and if you're taking smart trades with good plan, guys. That's very easy to cover. So how do you do that, right? So if you go for 2% per trade and you're under the PDT rule, which is the pattern day trader rule, means you don't have 25K, and like we talked about, you're launching your brokerage account with $2,000, right? So you go for 2% per day. That's 3 day trades you're allowed per week. So you're allowed to get 2, 4, 6% per week. That's 24%, 6, 12, 18, 24% a month that you are going for actively in your account, guys. So what is 1% of $2,000, guys? 1% of $2,000 is $20. 2% is $40, right? So that's $120 a week that you're getting, right? And then that equals 240, 360, 480. $480 a month that you're striving to make on a $2,000 brokerage account. If my math is wrong, please correct it in the comments below, guys. I would love to get corrected on that. but no, I believe $480 a month is what you will be going for with that 24%. That's 6% a week, guys. That's your target. That is how you do your math. That is how, when you are deciding how you want to launch a brokerage account, when you're deciding how much you want to fund it with, when you're asking people questions like, how much money should I make on, day to day in the stock market? Or if I want to make $500 a day in the stock market, or if I want to make $1,000 a day in the stock market, how do I actually fund my account to make that number possible for me? And as long as you follow that 2% ratio, if you're under the PDT rule, you don't have 25K. So whatever amount of money that you plan on trading with, 2% 3 times a week, guys. That's what you should be doing. 2% 3 times a week. That's the best case scenario. Sometimes you're not going to get that. Sometimes you might get that in one day. Sometimes you might get double of that in one day, guys. Sometimes, hopefully not, you lose that in 2 days. So you don't want to, that's what I said, you want to make sure that this is 100% written down, strategized, planned out. You know how much you're going for every day, and you're going for your goals, guys. You're striving to hit your goal. With that being said, guys, how much money does not matter. How much money you want to make, identifying what your target is, how much money you're striving to make in a trade, does not matter if you don't actually cover those profits when you hit that, guys. A lot of times you'll hit your target, you'll get your 2%, and then you start having FOMO, or you start getting thirsty, guys. You start getting overly indulgent. You start feeling grandiose and saying, oh, it's just going to go to the moon. I'm going to make 10 times my account value with this one trade because I'm such a genius, and then it completely reverse, go all the way down, and now you're going out sad, guys. You're whining, you're complaining, and your wife is beating you behind, guys. Don't be that guy. Set your target, go for your percent, and know how much money you need to have in your account. That's crucial. How much money do you actually need to have in your account to actually hit your target goal? And set your goal around the money that you know you have accessible. Take your time, guys. This market's not going anywhere. You have time to build your account up. You have time to increase your knowledge. You have time to paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. Guys, look, you see what I'm doing? I'm dancing, right? Because I want you to remember that. I want you to remember that you need to paper trade. Don't take a real position if you have not paper traded, guys. I'm going to say it one more time. Do not take a real position unless you are paper trading. That's it. With that being said, guys, I hope that you've seen value out of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, guys. I hope that it made sense to you. If you did enjoy it, if you did like it, please do me a favor, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel, guys. Give it a like, give it a comment, give it a share, and I would love to engage with you. With that being said, guys, I cannot wait to see you at the next video. Take care. Peace.